Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the device and starting Apple Intelligence. Make sure your iPhone 14 Plus runs iOS 18 or newer, because the intelligence features require the latest frameworks. Sign into iCloud and enable iCloud Drive, Photos, and Siri. This gives the system data to analyze. Once done, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and plug into power if training large models. Then open Settings, tap Apple Intelligence, and follow the initial prompts to allow on device processing and permissions. You now configure the data sources and personalization settings that drive Apple Intelligence. In Settings Apple Intelligence, choose which apps provide data: Mail, Messages, Photos, Calendar, and Notes, because quality input yields better suggestions. Make sure on device models and personalization are enabled so processing stays local and responsive. Next, set app suggestions and shortcuts. This helps the system learn workflows. If you have sensitive content, use selective sync and exclude specific folders to limit what the model can access. You finish by letting the iPhone complete indexing and model optimization. Expect 30 to 90 minutes depending on how much data you have. Test Apple Intelligence with a few prompts, use suggested widgets, and run Siri shortcuts to verify responsiveness. If results feel off, make sure permissions are correct, then refine which apps feed data. When problems persist, reset intelligence data in Settings, toggle personalization off and on, reboot the device, and allow reindexing. This usually resolves stuck syncs or performance hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.